Hi parents, Ms. Long here. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to support your students in creating their book review assignments. This will be an assignment that students will be responsible for each week as it encompasses reading, writing, and technology. And so I want to make sure that students are well aware on how to fill out our book review form. The first thing that students are going to need to do is read a book. If you have a book at home that they've been reading that maybe you've checked out from the library or purchased at the store, they can use that book as well. If students do not, I have sent out information on how we sign up for Epic Books. This is a really good website. It's got so many different books on here where students can actually do their reading themselves. They can listen to audiobooks. They can sort by their Lexile. They can pick fiction or nonfiction. It's a really great site for them to explore and work on. For this demonstration, we read many books by Kevin Henkes, one of them being Chrysanthemum. So I'm going to use this for our book form on Epic Books. In this case, I can read this book. I've read through the whole book, and now I'm done with the book. And now it's time for my book review. The first thing that I need to do in order to enter my book review is go to cvesd.org. When I get to cvesd.org, I'm going to click on the student page. And then from here, I'm going to click on Office 365. This is the gateway to all of our single sign-on apps that we will be using. I have signed in as a student, so it took me directly here today. When we meet on Teams, it's great to meet through the desktop app. However, when students are trying to complete assignments, it's best if they access the online version of Teams. It makes it easier to fill in the PowerPoint. So when I come to my home screen, I can see all my different apps here. I have Word, Excel, PowerPoint. I have my email, which is Outlook. And if I scroll on down, here's Microsoft Teams. When I click on this, it's going to ask me if I want to use my desktop version. If I do not want to use my desktop version, there's a button that I can click to use the web version. And again, this is not working. Let me try one more time. There we go, please. Okay, it keeps saying to sign into my account, but it's not giving me anything to sign in with. Yeah, there we go. Let's sign in with another account. Okay, here we go. Thank you for your patience and asking me to sign in again. My computer is loving my email. So, okay, here we go. So, when I log in here, I can see my team. This is our team right here. So I want to use the web app instead. And here we go again. Thank you for your patience. No, we don't want to do that. I'm going to go to the assignments tab and I'm going to click here, add next. So we can see here that I have quite a few different book reviews. So I'm going to click on book review 2. And in this website, I can open it up. I can do all of the editing that I need to do here. The first thing I need to do is click in this box that says your name here. When I click, it's going to allow me to remove the what is typed in that box. So I am going to pretend that I am Jacob, and I'm going to type in my name. The title of the book that we read was Chrysanthemum. Okay, Chrysanthemum. The author, and I think I spelled chrysanthemum wrong, look, and I did, and so here I can, thank goodness for spell check. I can also then put in the author's name, which is Kevin Henkes. Okay, and then here it says give a summary. I need to be typing 1 to 3 sentences about what this book was about. This book was about a girl who loved her name. When she went to school, she was teased about her name and didn't like it anymore. She changed her mind when she met a teacher with a name similar to hers. And I can also see the little red lines here are spelling that helps me out. What goes here? The pros, what you liked. So then we need to write a sentence. I liked how Chrysanthemum was happy at the end of the story. At the end of the story. What you disliked goes here. Okay. In this story, kids made fun of her name. Okay, and then I'm done typing that here. And finally, it says my final rating. It says delete the stars to give the rating you want. So think about this. If you gave it a 5-star rating, you loved it. If you gave it a 0-star rating, you hated it. If maybe you want to give it a 4-star rating, if you click on the star, you can hit the delete button and that will take the star away. And I'm going to say that this was a 4-star book. When I'm done with this, I can go ahead and close it. It is automatically saving, okay? And now I can just click turn in late and my book report is turned in. This is how we are able to turn in our book reviews. I hope this video was helpful.